I decided to start an entire business during the month of the hackathon. Using a combination of Bolt, Netify, and Supabase, I built a marketplace for retail pop-ups, a pipeline for e-commerce merchants on platforms like Shopify and Etsy to break into real-world retail in a low-risk way. To start, you can enter a location to search, but it geolocated me. I've got some featured spaces here. I can favorite the ones I like. I'm trying to bring venues and brands together that have some synergies. And I'm an outdoorsy brand, so I like this rock climbing gym. I can do a search. I can filter the search results. I can pick a date that will adjust the results. Narrow down my search. Alternatively, I can view the results on the map. The mapping integration was very easy, though I had to work through some details to get a nice enough looking map tile set. When I created my account, the system prompted me to describe my brand. So when I start my booking inquiry, that information is pre-filled. And so I'll go ahead and submit an inquiry. And when I go to my dashboard, it'll show me inquiries that I've made and history of other inquiries and bookings. And I can even save my booking dates to my calendar. That was a cool feature that was easy to build with Bolt. In the Messages UI, I can see the different inquiries that I've made and some back and forth discussions with venues about spaces. And let's log out of my merchant profile, and I'm going to log in as a venue. And so in here, I can see the spaces that I have, the properties that I have. I can see the activity, and I can go in and I can see the messages, and I can even make a request for payment with the specific dollar amount. And I can manage my listings. I've got some pretty granular capabilities to adjust the details, my availability matrix, taxes and fees, and all of that. And I've even done a Stripe Connect integration, which was quite difficult, but I eventually worked through the bugs and stuff with Bolt. So 3 minutes isn't a lot of time for so many features, but there you go.